children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about division. So let's start with that. Division means equal sharing. Division का मतलब होता है equally share. Okay बेटा? On Suhana's birthday, she bought 15 chocolates to distribute equally to her 5 friends. First, she distributed 5 chocolates among 5 friends. She was left with 10 chocolates. So, here it is pictures of chocolates. So, 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Okay. She took away 5 from 10 again to distribute the chocolate equally among 5 friends. So, 10 minus 5. फिर से उसने इसमें से 5 minus कर दिया. Then, she will get 55 rupees. 5 chocolate, then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 5 is subtracted 3 times. जो 5 है 3 times subtract हुआ है. So each friend got 3 chocolates. Okay, I hope you understood. So these are the pics of some chocolates. So पहले क्या हुआ 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Then 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Means nothing. We say हम कह सकते हैं कि 15 divided by 5 is 3 और 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. This is called division. ये होता है division का मतलब. जो हमारा total number है उसमें से equally share हो रहा है. Okay बेटा, I hope you understood. So now remember. Dividing a number into smaller and equal group is called equal sharing. Okay. The symbol used for division is like that. This is a symbol of that one division. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer we get after division is called the quotient. So remember all these points very well. Just do practice of that beta. Okay. So now move on next one. Division as repeated subtractions. अब हम divide तो करेंगे but repeated subtractions के through करते हैं. So these are the pics of some fruits. So take 12 apples. Okay. We have to divide them into 3 groups of 4 each. We can do it in the following way. Okay. Take away 4 apples and put them aside like this. There are 8 apples left. 8 बच गए. Take away 4 apples and put them aside. There are 4 apples left. Again take away 4 apples and put them away. We have 0 apples left. हमारे पास अब कोई apples नहीं बचता है. We divided 12 apples equally into 3 groups. There are 4 apples in each group. Okay. We took away 4 apples 3 times to leave 0 apples. So this is how we just solve the division by repeated subtractions. Now remember, division is repeated subtractions. Just do revise this beta. Okay. So now move on next one. Texting time 8.1. Filling the placeholders. So here it is given of some balloons. 15 balloons have been divided equally into how many groups? Yes, 3 groups. 1 group, 2 group and 3 group. Okay. Each group contains how many balloons? हर group में कितने balloons हैं? 5. Division fact is 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Okay. So this is how we just fill it. Okay. These are the other example. Just fill it to your own beta. Okay. So now move on next one, which is division is the opposite of multiplications. For such multiplications fact, there are 2 division fact such as multiplications fact number 1, 6 into 26 into 4 is equal to 24. Division fact क्या हो गया इसका? 24 divided by 4 you will get 6. And 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4 like this. Okay. So now division facts. When a number is divided by 1, the answer of the question is the number itself. Yes. Just like 16 divided by 1, you will get 16 itself. Similarly, 4 divided by 1, you will get 4 itself. 27 divided by 1, 27, and 32 divided by 1 is equal to 32. Okay. So now move on next. When a number is divided by the number itself, the quotient is 1. Just like 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 28 में से 28 को divide करोगे, then you will get 1. 39 में से 39 को करोगे, again 1, and 40 divided by 40 is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the rule of that one. So now move on third rule. When a 0 is divided by a number, the quotient is 0. Just like 0 divided by 10, you will get 0, and 0 divided by 24, again 0. So division of a number by 0 is not possible. Okay. So just do practice of all these division fact beta. So now move on next one, which is texting time 8.2. Write the division fact for each of the following. So here it is given some fruits. So how many are they? 6. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, how many carrots are there? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So we will just write 12. Write it 12 here. Okay. And how many groups are there? 4. So write it 4. And then you will get 3. As we know that 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and we can see that in each group there are 3 carrots. Okay. Similarly, you have to fill it other one yourself. Now move on next beta. Filling the blanks by grouping. So here it is given 10. 10 divided by 4, 2. So ये 2 का एक group है. Similarly, there are 24. 24 divided by 4, you will get 6. So now you have to make it 6 group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this is one group. This is second group. This is third. This is 4. Okay. I hope you understood. So now move on next one beta. Division as inverse of multiplications. Suppose we have 2 groups of 4 boys each. Okay. Total number of boys 2 into 4 is equal to 8. This means 8 boys have been divided into 2 groups, and there are 4 boys in each group. So 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Again, divide the 8 boys into 4 groups. How many boys are there in each group? Clearly 2. So 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Okay beta, the multiplications fact 2 into 4 is equal to 8 gives rise to 2 division facts. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, and 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So division is the inverse of multiplications. I hope you understood the concept of that one. So now beta move on next one, which is texting time 8.3. Write 2 division fact for each of the following multiplications fact. Multiplications factor 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So 10 divided by 2 you will get 5, and 10 divided by 5 you will get 2. Like this. Similarly, 4 4s are 16. So write it 16. 16 divided by 4. 4 4s are 16. You will get 4. Similarly, 16 divided by 4 you will get 4. क्योंकि हमने 16 को एक बार इस 4 से डिवाइड करना है और एक बार 16 को हमने इस 4 से डिवाइड किया. Okay, so this is the division fact. I hope you understood. So these are the other blank. You have to fill it your own beta. So now move on next. Division using multiplication tables. Suppose we have to divide 20 by 4. Okay, recite the multiplication table of 4 till you come to 20. तब तक पढ़ोगे जब तक कि 20 नहीं आ जाता है. Clearly 4 gone into 25 times, as 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So 20 divided by 4 you will get 5. Okay. So this is how we just do the divide with multiplications table. So now move on next, which is texting time 8.4 beta. Divide using multiplications tables. 18 divided by 2. So 2 how many is 18? Okay, so 2 9s are, we know that clearly, 2 9s are 18. Okay beta, similarly 27 divided by 3. So 3 how many is 27? So 3 9s are 27. Okay, this is how we have to just fill the other one. Okay, I hope you understood. So now move on next one, which is what problems on division. Okay beta, 18 pens are equally packed into 3 packets. 18 पैक हमारे पेन से बराबर बराबर पैकेट्स में बांटे गए हैं. How many pens are there in each packet? So एक पैकेट्स में कितने पेन्स हो गए? So clearly division sum. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Similarly 36 chocolates are equally divided among 4 girls. 36 चॉकलेट्स हैं और 4 लड़कियां हैं. सो हाउ मेनी चॉकलेट्स डज ईच एवरी गर्ल गेट? तो जो हर लड़की है उसको कितने चॉकलेट्स मिलेंगे? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दैट. सो नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स, नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट्स, फर्स्ट राइट इट. नंबर ऑफ चॉकलेट इज 36 एंड नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इज 4. सो 4 कितने जा? 36. 4 9 जा. ओके, so we can say that 9 chocolates every girl get. Okay, so this is the story sums. These are the other examples. You have to fill it your own beta. I hope you understood well. So with this we ended the chapters. Just do practice well beta.